First at 5, immigration enforcement is expanding across the United States.
Sources tell the Associated Press that the Department of Homeland Security has plans to deploy more Border Patrol agents to cities across the Southeast, including in Louisiana and Mississippi. We're told the deployment is expected to begin on December 1st.
Enforcement has already been seen in California, Illinois, and more recently in North Carolina. Since this past weekend, communities in Raleigh and Charlotte have been protesting immigration operations, voicing concerns about families and local businesses.
At some schools, over 30% of students were absent. Businesses are shut down. Healthcare appointments are being missed. Families are afraid to leave their homes. This is not how you create safety here in Durham or anywhere else.
And as immigration enforcement continues to expand in North Carolina, its effects are being felt in the Asheville area, where community groups are bracing for the possibility of it happening there.
Our Ray Arena reports on how the community is feeling both in Asheville and in the upstate.
Community members in the Asheville area say they are scared and nervous as immigration enforcement continues across the state. But they're not the only ones in the region who feel that same way.
People are really scared. It's fearful. We've confirmed ice activity in Blowing Rock and Lenoir today, and so we're nervous about what's going on.
Greg Walker Wilson, who represents grassroots organizations, says those cities are about an hour away from Asheville. Tuesday night, City Council did not vote on a proposed resolution preventing immigration agents from using city-owned property for civil immigration enforcement.
It's a pause, it's not a stop. We want to still make it happen. We want to make sure that city and county property is not host to future enforcement actions.
In a joint statement, Asheville City Council and Buncombe County Commissioner said in part, expected U.S. Customs and Border Protection operations are causing unnecessary fear in our community. We've seen what happened in other cities, people without criminal records detained, violent confrontations erupting. We don't want that here. The Hispanic Alliance says fears of potential immigration enforcement are trickling down to the upstate.
We have not been able to confirm their presence, but nonetheless, people are concerned. A lot of people are scared of going to work. They are concerned about the safety of their children. People are asking for resources to make sure that they know what to do and how to prepare in case that parents are arrested and deported.
DHS Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin says they do not discuss future or potential operations. Community members in Asheville are stressing unity.
We're just really getting the message out that everyone belongs, everyone, no matter your status, your immigration status, everyone belongs, is valued here. We're going to protect everyone. We're all in this together.
Community organizations are reminding people that they do have rights if they are approached by an immigration agent. We will have more on the resources they're offering to people on our website. That's WYFF4.com. Reporting in Asheville, Ray Arena, WYFF News 4.